Hello viewers, welcome to this unboxing video review on the Bandai Namco Kirby Figure Series blind box. Alright, so let's take a look at this box from front to back, left to right, top to bottom. And if you manage to collect all 8 figures, this is how it would look like. Alright, as I passed by the local toy collection store, I saw this and hey, I decided to pick one up to add to my collection and also see what I'm going to get out of this. Looks pretty cute here, and Kirby seems to be quite popular nowadays. So really, that definitely got my attention when I saw this particular box here. So I decided to add this to my collection. Alright. And before I get started, let me just grab a figure here and put it beside it to see how it would scale. Alright, so let's grab a My Melody figure here. And it seems to be pretty tall. Okay, it looks like it's going to be the same scale. So let's get started here. Alright, the price of this particular blind box figure is pretty close to $20. It's pretty pricey, so I'm confident that I'm going to get something that's good quality, so hopefully that is the case. Oh, that doesn't seem to be anything like that. Okay, so it looks like I have to put it together. Oh, isn't that pretty interesting? I didn't realize I had to assemble this particular figure. Ta-da! So this is how it would look like when you put it all together. Okay, so I thought I got something weird, but after you put it together, this is how it would look like. Right, exactly the same scale as My Melody over here. And judging from the box, I got the Chef #2 Kirby. The quality's alright. I didn't realize it was a model kit. So actually not bad at all. Still looks good with my collection here. So if you are a Kirby fan, definitely this is for you. But it requires some work to put it together. Alright, and that is the Namco, actually Bandai Namco Kirby Figure Blind Box Series. Thanks for watching.